Hello Home Assistant enthusiast, and welcome to our Smart Home Tech channel. In this video, we will dive into the era where your home not just shelters you, but understands and responds to your needs. A world where technology and convenience harmoniously blend to create living spaces that are not just houses, but intelligent environments. This transformative journey is led by none other than the Aqara Thread Sensors, a beacon in the realm of home connectivity. It's time to dive into the world of home automation ideas in 2024 and discover how Aqara Thread Sensors are redefining our living spaces, making every day not just comfortable, but intuitively delightful. What are the Aqara Thread Sensors? The Aqara Thread Sensors are cutting-edge devices designed to elevate the intelligence of your home. These compact wireless sensors integrate seamlessly into your home's ecosystem, providing real-time data and control over various environmental factors. But what does that mean for you? Imagine you're at work and a sudden weather change means the temperature at home drops significantly. The Aqara Thread Sensors, integrated with your smart thermostat, detect this change and adjust the heating to maintain your preferred temperature. Or picture this. You're on vacation and an unexpected movement is detected in your home. The sensors alert you immediately, allowing you to take swift action to secure your property. Here are some more detailed examples of how the Aqara Thread Sensors can be used. Firstly, temperature and humidity monitoring. You can place the sensors in any room to monitor temperature and humidity levels. If the sensors detect that the humidity level in your basement is too high, they can automatically trigger a dehumidifier to maintain a comfortable environment. A second example is motion detection for security. If you install the sensors near entry points such as doors and windows, then in case a motion is detected while you're away, the sensors can send an alert to your smartphone and activate security cameras to record the activity. Another example is automating lights and appliances. The sensors can work with your smart lighting system to turn lights on or off based on your presence. For instance, when you enter a room, the lights automatically switch on, and when you leave, they switch off, saving energy and adding convenience. Also, integration with other smart devices. The Aqara Thread Sensors can integrate with other smart devices, such as smart locks, to enhance your home security. For example, if the sensors detect that a window has been opened unexpectedly, they can automatically lock all doors and windows to prevent unauthorized access. For more details on Accara products, a link will be displayed at the top right of this video. Continue watching for valuable insights, and if you miss it, we'll provide the link again at the end of the video. Now, let's unveil the key features and benefits of Aqara Thread Sensors. Number 1. Seamless integration with Home Assistant. The Aqara Thread Sensors effortlessly sync with Home Assistant platforms, acting as a central hub in your smart home system. This integration allows for the automation of various home devices, creating a cohesive and user-friendly environment. Imagine controlling your lighting, climate, and security systems effortlessly, all from a single platform. The sensor's compatibility with Home Assistant elevates your home to a realm of synchronized and streamlined smart living. Number 2. Advanced home connectivity. At the heart of the Aqara Thread Sensors' capabilities is their use of revolutionary thread technology, which stands as a pillar in home connectivity. This technology surpasses traditional Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections by establishing a mesh network, where each connected device enhances the overall system's efficiency and reliability. The result is a smart home ecosystem that is not only more responsive, but also more stable, ensuring the seamless operation of all connected devices. Number 3. Multifunctional versatility. The sensors are multi-purpose marvels capable of fulfilling a diverse range of home monitoring and automation needs. From tracking environmental conditions like temperature and humidity to enhancing home security by detecting motion and monitoring windows and doors, the Aqara Thread Sensors are versatile and indispensable tools for anyone aspiring to create a fully integrated smart home. Number 4. Ease of installation and operation. Despite their sophisticated technology, the Aqara Thread Sensors are designed with user-friendliness in mind. The installation process is straightforward and accessible, requiring no specialized technical skills. Once installed, their intuitive interface makes personalizing and controlling your home environment a simple and enjoyable experience. Now let's talk about the detailed installation process of Aqara Thread Sensors. Step 1. Unboxing and Setup. The journey begins with unboxing the Aqara Thread Sensors, where you'll find the devices themselves, along with user-friendly guides and necessary accessories for installation. This first step is your introduction to the sensor's sleek design and the promise of a smarter home. Step 2. App integration. The Accara Home app, available on both iOS and Android platforms, is your central control panel. Downloading and setting up this app is your key to unlocking the full potential of the sensors. Through the app, you can manage settings, receive notifications, and integrate the sensors with other smart home devices. Step 3. Effortless pairing. Connecting the sensors to your home network is made simple and intuitive by the app. The process typically involves a quick button press on the sensors, followed by easy-to-follow steps in the app. This seamless pairing is essential for ensuring that your sensors communicate effectively with your smart home system. Step 4. Optimal placement. The effectiveness of the Aqara Thread Sensors can be maximized by thoughtful placement. Whether mounted on a wall, placed on a shelf, or positioned in a specific room, the sensor's design allows for flexible installation to suit your unique home layout and monitoring needs. Step 5. Customization and control. Once installed, the sensors become a personalized component of your home. Through the Accara Home app, you can set specific parameters, schedule automated actions, and define the conditions under which you receive alerts. This level of customization puts you in complete control of your home environment. Where to buy Aqara Thread Sensors? The Aqara Thread Sensors are readily available for purchase on Amazon. The platform not only offers competitive pricing, but also a wealth of customer feedback and detailed product information. These resources are invaluable in helping you make an informed decision. Additionally, Amazon's frequent discounts and bundle offers can provide extra value for your investment. For more information and pricing details for this amazing product, click the link in the description below this video. Embracing the Aqara Thread Sensors is a step into a future where your home is not just a living space, but an intelligent partner. Their seamless integration with Home Assistant, advanced home connectivity capabilities, and user-friendly nature make them stand out for enhancing your living experience. The Aqara Thread Sensors are more than gadgets. They are keys to a smarter, more responsive, and more enjoyable home. Join the revolution of home automation ideas in 2024 and experience a world where convenience, security, and intelligence blend seamlessly to create an unparalleled living experience. If you need more information about Aqara Thread Sensors, click the link in the description below this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.